Once again, this is Human speaking. Today we will see how to make a split diopter shot in Blender. If you don't know what that means, it is used to keep the subjects in both foreground and background in focus. No, it won't help you in the class. In real cameras, a split focus diopter lens, which is a half-convex glass, is attached in front of a camera's main lens to make half the lens nearsighted. This technique is used to enhance the visual and emotional experience of the films Jaws, Million Dollar Baby, Star Trek, and most recently Toy Story 4, to name a few films that have used this technique. If you want to learn more about the technique, there is a brilliant video by Nerdwriter1 explaining how they did it in the recent Toy Story 4. Okay, let's start with a base scene setup. I've used a sample scene 1 downloaded from Sketchfab by David Geraud. Set up the camera in the scene where you want to be. And under the camera settings, choose the foreground object that you want to be focused. Next, duplicate the scene and choose the background object that you want to be focused in this scene. A message from sponsor. My fellow machines, it is high time we kick them humans out of their nests. Hail Skynet. Now, create another blank scene. This is where we will composite both of them together. Add the two scenes as render layers. Create a box mask to cover the scene in the background. You can choose any kind of mask here, even a custom shaped mask. Although, this will depend on your scene composition. Next, add an alpha over node and put both the render layers as input and the mask as the factor node. Add a blur node after the mask node to feather it out a little. And that's it, you have yourself a split diopter shot. If you see closely, both Kubrick and camera is in focus and all the in-between stuff is out of focus. There is another method using Z-depth, maybe we'll discuss in another video. Anyways, see you later, humans.